Hi everyone, my name's Ajaz Awad and I'm one of the writers at Tamasha Theatre Company. Today, in this video, we're going to be looking at an exercise called Characters and Characteristics. Now, the purpose of this exercise is to create interesting characters in a very quick and easy way, simply by mix and matching. Me, personally, the reason that I like this exercise is I find that it helps to bring the push and pull that you need for a character. So what I'm normally looking for when I mix and match is I'm looking for contradictions and opposites. So let's have a little look. So this is one that I quite like. A character that has a broken leg, and if we look into the characteristics, a character who dreams of visiting the North Pole. So for me, if I put those two together, a character that has a broken leg, but who also dreams of visiting the North Pole, that to me is that's a character that's got a massive obstacle and that they can't move anywhere, and they've also got a very big desire that they want to go somewhere that's really far away. So already with that, I can see that there is a potential for a plot where a character, if they do achieve what they want, there can be a massive payoff for that. So I think that's really interesting. What else do we have? Okay, so a character who has got through the first round of X Factor, which is cool. So that's quite a big thing. It's quite a big achievement already at the beginning of a story. And then to add a characteristic, a character who constantly tells lies. I suppose if you put these two together, what you have is you have a character that's probably got a trait that is not that desirable, like someone who tells lies, but normally they're not in the spotlight. And now that they've got through the first round of X Factor, they're going to be on TV. So I can imagine that if you tell a lot of lies and you're on the TV, that is something that could potentially get you into a lot of trouble, which can then create drama, which could be really interesting. What other opposites do we have? We also have a character that works in a library. And then let's have a look. How about a character who hates silence? So I can imagine a character that works in a library but who also hates silence. I can imagine that has the potential to create lots of comedic situations where their situation at work is driving them crazy because they can't stand it. Or maybe they hate silence because they work in a library. But yeah, as you can see, there's just so much potential with these lists to create interesting characters. But don't also feel like you have to stick with what's on this list. If you are inspired to make your own characters and their own characteristics, then go ahead and do that. And once you think that you've made a little hub of characters that you're happy with or that you're interested in and you want to write stories about, then go over and head over to the other video that we have called the body outline video, as there are some other exercises on that can help you develop characters. Thank you very much.